हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम लोग जो है लास्ट लेक्चर में एप्लीकेशन ऑफ स्पेशल इंटीग्रल्स का यूज स्टार्ट किए। तो लास्ट लेक्चर में मैंने टाइप ए पढ़ा। अब हम लोग जो है टाइप 2 डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस टाइप 2 या टाइप बी, which is actually the application of 9 special integrals. Here you can see there are 3 types of integrals, and if you see that you can analyze that there are 2 types of functions involved in the integrand. Here you can see one type of is the linear expression, other type is the quadratic expression. Sometimes you can see here the quadratic expression are written in square root, which is placed in either in denominator or in numerator. But everywhere you can see there is a function expression which is linear, and there is another an expression which is quadratic. So hello students, if you see these type of integrand are involved in this integration, then what will be the rule and regulation to evaluate this type of integral? You can see I have already written on the board. You can write a linear expression px plus q. Everywhere you can see px plus q is a linear expression. So you can write px plus q as lambda into differentiation of the quadratic expression plus constant term mu. Here we can use two unknown parameters, one is lambda and other is mu. Now we have to evaluate, now we have to find out the value of lambda and mu, and this is the main problem here. We have to find lambda and mu, and there is a method to find lambda and mu. It is called comparison method. You already have to know that what is comparison. Comparison means compare करना। कंपेयर करके हम लोग पता करेंगे कि लैम्डा और म्यू का वैल्यू कैसे कितना निकलेगा। तो कंपैरिजन मेथड का यूज करेंगे और लैम्डा म्यू का वैल्यू जो है निकाल लेंगे। जब हम लोग लैम्डा और म्यू का वैल्यू निकालेंगे तो फिर लैम्डा और म्यू का वैल्यू जो है एक नंबर में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे। जो भी आएगा वैल्यू वो हम लोग यहाँ पे पुट कर देंगे, और फिर इस एक नंबर को मतलब px प्लस q की जगह में हम लोग राइट हैंड साइड में यूज करेंगे और प्रॉब्लम को बनाएंगे। जब हम प्रॉब्लम बनाएंगे उसको हम आगे बढ़ेंगे लेकर के, तो हम लोग को पता चलेगा कि 9 स्पेशल इंटीग्रल में से कोई ना कोई जो है यहाँ आपका यूज होगा। तो जो भी सुटेबल फॉर्मूला आपका यूज होने वाला है उसको आप यूज कीजिएगा, तो आपका जो गिवन इंटीग्रल है वो आसानी से इवैल्यूएट हो जाएगा। सो यहाँ ये मेथड आपका लिखा हुआ है। अब आप देख सकते हैं कि आपके राइट हैंड साइड में 3 प्रॉब्लम लिखा हुआ है, और ये तीनों के तीनों प्रॉब्लम जो देख रहे हैं ये तीनों के तीनों प्रॉब्लम इस फॉर्म में है जिस फॉर्म में मैंने आपको इंटीग्रल लिखा हुआ है। तो अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, वन बाय वन उन तीनों प्रॉब्लम को क्या करेंगे, डील करेंगे और देखेंगे कि हम लोग किस तरह से इस रूल का यूज करते हैं। यही एक रूल है जिसके हेल्प से इसको आप क्या कर सकते हैं, डील कर सकते हैं। सो हैव ए लुक एंड गो टू द प्रॉब्लम सेक्शन। सो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने क्या किया, पहला जो सवाल है उसको मैंने पिकअप किया और यहाँ पे मैंने लिख दिया। अब इस क्वेश्चन को बनाना है, हमको पता है ये कौन सा टाइप है और कैसे इसको डील करते हैं। तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे लेट रूल फॉलो करते हैं। तो लीनियर एक्सप्रेशन जो है यहाँ पे क्या है 2x - 3, तो हमने यहाँ 2x - 3 लिखा, और दिस इज इक्वल टू लैम्डा इनटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x² + x + 1 मींस क्वाड्रेटिक एक्सप्रेशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x प्लस कांस्टेंट टर्म। Here we write the differentiation of this. We will write 2x + 1 plus 1. But in the left hand side, this is the linear expression, and in linear expression there is a term which is variable, and there is another term which is constant. So we have to write variable plus constant. So according to this, we have to write 2 lambda x plus lambda plus 1. Here you can see this is the variable term and this is the constant term. Now both sides in this equation are linear, so we have to compare. Compare means we have to compare the coefficient of the variable as well as the constant term. So here on comparison we will get 2 lambda is equal to 2. The coefficient of x is 2 lambda, and in left hand side the coefficient of x is 2. So we have to write 2 lambda is equal to 2. This implies lambda is equal to 1. And the constant term on the right hand side is lambda plus mu. And the constant term in the left hand side is minus mu. So therefore mu is equal to minus 3 minus lambda. And in place of lambda you can use 1, so it becomes minus 4. It becomes minus 4. Here we get the value of lambda and mu using comparison method. Hence you can write 2x minus 3 is equal to, you can write 2x minus 3 is equal to lambda. In place of lambda you can write 1, so it becomes 2x plus 1 plus mu. In place of mu you can write minus 4. So here you can write minus 4. And this is number 1. Now we have to use number 1 in the given integrand. So I becomes in place of linear expression you can write 2x plus 1 minus 4, and in place of denominator you have to write, which is written already in the board, x square plus x plus 1 dx. Now we have to separate this integral into two parts. You can write integration of 2x plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx, minus 4 is the constant term, so you can take out minus 4 outside the sign of integration, and here you can write x square plus x plus 1 dx. So in this way we have reached here, and we can see there are two integrals. First of all, there is a single integral, but using this process we will get the two integrals, and you realize that these two integrals are so easy to evaluate. So now we are going to evaluate these two integrals. Before going to evaluate this integral, we have a node. What is a node? This is f dash x, this is fx, and dx. If this type of integrand is involved in the integral, you can write directly its answer. It becomes, what is the integral? What is the integration of this integrand? ln mod fx plus constant x. You can use this function directly as a formula. So here you can see the denominator is x square plus x plus 1, and the numerator is 2x plus 1, which is the derivative of the denominator. So you can use directly this formula. So therefore I becomes ln mod x square plus x plus 1 plus constant term c. You will write in the last of this integration, minus 4 integration of 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx, and lastly put the constant of integration. Here you can see that this is the first type A of the use of line special integral. So using the type A, we can write its integral. So here you can write x plus half का होल स्क्वायर, it becomes x square plus x plus 1 by 4. So extra term 1 minus 1 by 4 dx plus constant terms. So this is equal to ln mod x square plus x plus 1 minus 4 integration of 1 upon x plus half का whole square and plus here you can write 3 by 2 का whole square dx plus constant terms. So you can see here that this is equal to ln mod x square plus x plus 1 minus 4 and what will be the its answer? This is the type 1 upon x square plus a square. So it becomes 1 by a means root 3 by 2 tan inverse x by a. So x plus half by root 3 by 2 plus constant term c. On simplifying this, we will get ln mod x square plus x plus 1 minus 8 by root 3 tan inverse this equal to 2x plus 1 upon root 3 plus constant term c. This is the final answer you can see here. So hello students, now we are going to the question number 2, actually which is an integration and which is written as integration of 2x plus 1 upon square root of x square minus x plus 1 with respect to x. And here you can also see that this is a linear expression and we have to write the linear expression as lambda into differentiation of the quadratic expression plus mu. So likewise we can use this concept and we will get 2 lambda x plus mu minus lambda. Here lambda and mu are unknown constant. You can write here where lambda and mu are unknown constant or unknown parameter. On comparison we will get, why we use comparison? Because we have to find the value of lambda. On comparison we will get lambda is equal to 1 and mu is equal to 2. Again we see you that how can we use the method of comparison. Here you can see the coefficient of x is 2 lambda and in the left hand side the coefficient of x is 2. So we can compare the coefficient of x on both of the sides. So we can write 2 lambda is equal to 2. So it becomes lambda is equal to 2. Likewise, on comparing the constant term on both of the sides, you can write lambda mu minus lambda is equal to 1. So you can write mu minus lambda is equal to 1. On substituting the value of lambda in the place of lambda, we will get mu is equal to 2. So we have to write 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 1 plus 2. Now we use equation 1 in the given integrand in place of the linear expression. So we will so I becomes this is equal to this. Now we will separate this integral as the two different integrals. Likewise you can separate this. Here we will get two different integrals. Means these two different integrals can be easily solved. This becomes, however, this becomes two integral, but these are very simple integral which you can easily integrate. So now we have to see the integration of these two integrals. So you can see. You can see I is equal to integration of 2x minus 1 upon x square minus x plus 1 का square root with respect to x plus 2 into 1 upon x square minus x plus 1 का square root with respect to x. Here let x square minus x plus 1 is equal to t square. So it becomes, on differentiating we will get 2x minus 1 dx is equal to 2t dt. So using these substitutions we will get 2t dt, and in place of this you can write t square. On simplifying we will get simply t plus, and here the type A, so you can make it as a sum of two perfect square as we have done, we have seen in the last lecture. So you can write x minus half का whole square extra 1/4 to place 1 minus 1. Here you can write this. T and t are common both in numerator and denominator, so you have to cancel out this one. Here 2 is the constant term, so you can take out the sign of integration. Simply write dt plus 2. Here on simplifying you will get x minus half का whole square plus this is root 3/2 का whole square का square root. Now this is equal to 2t and plus here you can write 2, and what is the integration of this type? 1 by under root x square plus x square. So it becomes ln mod x. In place of x you can write x minus half plus x minus half का whole square plus root 3/2 का whole square का square root modulus close plus constant. If you want to simplify this, you can simplify. In place of t, you can write 2 into square root of x square minus x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1 plus 2 ln mod. Here you can write x minus half plus here you can write x square minus x plus 1, because we already know that this equal to this square root of this and plus constant term c. This is the final answer. This is the final answer, you can see. Hello students, now we are going to evaluate the third integral. As you see in the board, so here is the third problem, third integral, which we have to evaluate. So likewise, let 3x minus 2 is equal to lambda differentiation of the quadratic expression, means differentiation of x square plus 2x plus 3, x square plus 2x plus 3 with respect to x plus constant term. Here you can write where lambda and mu are unknown parameter. In place of parameter you can write constant also. So on simplifying you will get lambda, the derivative of this is equal to 2x plus x square का derivative 2x. In place of 2x you can write 2x plus 2 and plus here you can write 2x 2 lambda x. Here you can write 2 lambda plus. Now we use the comparison method. On comparing we get what will we get? 3x. 2 lambda is equal to 3. This implies lambda is equal to 3/2. Also 2 lambda plus 3 is equal to minus 2. The constant term is, and the left hand side the constant term is minus 2, and in the right hand side the constant term is 2 lambda plus 3, sorry 2 lambda plus mu. So 2 lambda plus mu, sorry 2 lambda plus mu. In place of 2 lambda you can write 3. So therefore mu is equal to minus 5, because 2 lambda is equal to 3. So 3 plus mu is equal to minus 2. Therefore mu is equal to minus 5. Here we get the value of both lambda and mu. Now 3x. Now 3x minus 2 you can write, in place of lambda you can write 3 by 2. So it becomes 3 by 2 into what? 2x plus 2 plus mu. In place of mu you can write minus 5. And this is number 1. Now in place of the linear expression 3x minus 2 in the given integrand, you have to write this. So I becomes integration of this. So you can write 3 by 2 2x plus 2 upon x square plus x square, sorry, you have to write this into x square plus 2x plus 3 minus, we can directly separate the integral, minus integration of x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. Here we write two steps in a single step. First of all, we have to write the value of 2x minus 3 is equal to this, and then we have to separate. But we should left a step and go to the second step and directly write this step. And here is dx. So in this way we get two different integrals, and these two different integrals can easily be evaluated by using the previous concept, previous types or previous method which we have already discussed in the last lectures. So now we can see how we evaluate these two